Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how to create beautiful decor on a budget. First you will need a budget-friendly piece. I have this glass pedestal vase from Goodwill for $1.99. You will also need some Mod Podge. And you will also need some rice. Yep, I said it, rice. Now, if you are any bit interested in seeing how I will create a beautiful glam pedestal vase and candles with Mod Podge, rice, and some metallic spray paint with a tad bit of glitter, please keep on watching. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate your continuous support. Now, we are about to get into this video. You know I wipe down all my pieces with alcohol to get away any dirt or debris. So, let's get into this video and get these budget-friendly DIYs started. All right, keep on. All right, here we will begin pouring the rice. And for those of you that may think that I am being wasteful, I was cleaning out my pantry area down in my basement, and I stumbled across this box of minute rice, this brown minute rice, and it was actually outdated. So I thought, why would I throw away this rice when I could use it in a DIY? The crafting side of my brain kicked in and said you can use this and create something nice with this, something creative. So this is what I chose to do with the rice. So please don't think that I am being wasteful by using food on a DIY. I would never do that. So I will let the music continue to play, and I hope you are still enjoying and watching my DIY. Thank you again for watching. Here I am filling in different areas of the vase where when I was rolling the vase around, putting on the rice, where some of the glue was either pushed up or pushed down. So I am now putting glue in these areas so I can sprinkle more of the rice so it can be full and fill in the gaps. I want nobody but you. 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 Right? It is completely covered. we're going to let this dry for about 2 hours, and then I will come back with the next step. Keep on watching. Okay guys, I am going to do the same treatment to this vase, this fish bowl. I purchased this from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them. So I'm going to put my Mod Podge on and then sprinkle on my rice. Okay, I'm going to allow these to dry, and then I will be taking them all outside to spray paint. So keep on watching. All right, now that we have the vase spray painted, I will be mixing up 3 glitters. I have champagne gold, I have this silver glitter, chunky glitter, as well as some silver fine glitter. And I will just create a mixture. And while the vase is still wet from the spray paint, I will sprinkle on the glitter. And I will do the same with the fish bowls. And I am just loving the effect that the glitter is given to the spray painted rice. It's already having the texture from the rice, but now it has the glam appeal from the glitter. And I just love how it looks so far. We're going to do a little recap. Step 1 was to apply the rice, and we allowed the rice to dry for several hours, and then we applied the we spray painted it with the metallic gold, and then we added the 3 different types of glitter. And then we allowed that to sit, and then I applied Mod Podge and allowed that to sit for 24 hours. And it still has the pretty glitter and glistening to it. Now, like I said, we are about to create candles. I have my 2 wicks, my stickers, excuse my ashy hands, and then I have these candles that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I am placing them in a old pot, and I will turn it on to like a medium high, and we'll let them boil until they melt. So keep on watching. All right, guys, I'm going to put my wicks in. I will be using these skewers. Place it in the middle of my candle. And I will press it down. Now here I am using the skewers to help keep my candle wick centered in the middle of the vase. Now that my candle is melted, completely melted, I am removing the wick. And I also will keep that wick, put it to the side, and maybe use when I create another DIY candle. Now here I am sharing with you my essential oils that I will be adding into my candles. I purchased both of these from Walmart. I've had these for several months because I love using these in my air diffuser. So I knew that these two scents would work very well together. And please, when creating these candles, please use oven mitts or heat-safe gloves because the glass is very hot. You have to leave your candles boiling for at least 30 to 40 minutes to melt completely. So your jars will be very, very hot and the wax is very hot. So please keep that in mind when making your candles. Okay, this is a later clip. I had to do a scavenger hunt around my home because the 3 jars would not completely fill my candle holders that I created. So I had to search my home and I ended up finding a box of candlesticks that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I had to melt them down, and now I was able to completely fill my vases for my candles. My stem is not centered, but I don't want to move it because I will end up cracking my candle, and I want my candle to have a smooth surface. All right, everyone, here is the completed look. This is the beautiful Glam pedestal vase. I've placed this beautiful floral arrangement inside so you can see how it will be styled with the floral arrangement inside. And here is my candles, and we are going to cut the wicks. Oops. So we can light them and get this beautiful aroma going through my home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you like how everything turned out. And if you do, please leave me a comment down below. I love reading you guys' comments when I create my glam DIYs. Now that we have come to the end, I want to thank you all again for stopping by and showing me your continuous support by clicking on each and every one of my videos when I upload. If you are not yet a family member, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the notification bell 2 times so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you guys the very next time I upload.